I am fine. How about you?
Where are you from?
I am from Katgodam, Uttarakhand.
Which fruit is your favorite?
Mango.
Which school did you complete your schooling from?
I have completed my schooling from St. Teresa Senior Secondary School.
Which actor is your favorite?
No one.
At what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
At what time do you go to bed?
At
At
11.
night.
At 11:30.
Which movie is your favorite?
Lakshya.
How many members are there in your family?
9.
How many siblings do you have?
1.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I do.
Does your dad have a car?
Yes, we do.
Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I do.
Do you comment on excellent academy videos
Yes, I do.
on YouTube? Do you play football?
Yes, I do play football.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Have you seen the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen the Taj Mahal.
Do you eat non-veg?
Yes, I eat non-veg.
Is there someone at the door?
No, there is no one at the door.
Is the fan on?
No, the fan is off.
Is the AC on?
No, the AC is not on.
Are you fond of traveling?
No, I don't.
Is your mom fond of watching movies?
Yes, she is.
Are you foodie?
No, I'm not.
Are you an extrovert?
No.
Are you confident?
Yes, I am.
Do you fear snakes?
Yes, I do.
Which political party is your favorite?
Nobody.
Which freedom fighter is your favorite?
Bhagat Singh.
Do you know how to swim?
No, I don't know how to swim.
Do you know how to cook chicken?
No, I only know how to make Maggie.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to be successful?
Yes, I do.
All the very best.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Haldwani, Mukherjee.
Which fruit is your favorite?
I love mango.
Which school did you complete your schooling from?
I completed my schooling
Which
from
actor is your favorite?
actor Shahid Kapoor. is
At what
favorite.
time do you wake up in the morning?
8 o'clock.
At
AM.
what time do you go to bed at night? Which movie is your favorite?
I love.
How many members are there in your family?
5 people are there.
How many siblings do you have?
3 siblings I have.
Do you have a bike?
No, I have.
Does your dad have a car?
So,
Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I write newspaper.
Do you comment on excellent academy videos on YouTube?
Yes, I do, sir.
Movie is your favorite.
I don't like movies.
How many members are there in your family?
5 members.
How many siblings do you have?
3.
Do you have a bike? Does your
no
dad
scooter.
have a car?
Yes.
Do you read newspaper?
Sometimes.
Do you comment on excellent academy videos on YouTube?
Yes.
Do you play football?
No, I
Do you have a laptop?
No, I don't have laptop.
Have you seen the Taj Mahal?
No, I
Do you eat
Not seen
non-veg?
Yes.
Is there someone at the door?
No.
Is the fan
not
on?
any person. No, the fan is not on.
Is the AC on?
No.
Are you fond of traveling?
No, I am not.
Is your mom fond of watching movies?
No.
Are you foodie?
No, I am not foodie.
Are you an extrovert?
Yes, I think.
Are you confident?
Yes, I'm confident.
Do you fear snakes? Which political party?
So guys, did you like this activity? Yeah!